Hello everyone. So we're here from this analyze of these games here in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means round number 9 in this Masters in this game. So it means long game of this one. So it means 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this one. So it means Masters. So Masters of this here within long game within 30 minutes here. 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it means we have analyzed two games of this analyze here of these games within first is masters and the next one is challengers here from this one. So it means we have two games of this analyze of these games here. And also have between from this teammate from Netherlands from this Grandmasters Jordan van Foreest versus Grandmaster Max Warmerdam from this one. So it means teammate from this Netherlands here from this one. So it means team members of this Netherlands from these chess games. So it means to analyze of these games here in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Masters round number 9. So white plays Jordan is d4, d5 max, c4, e6, Queen's Gambit decline, Knight f3, Knight f6, and also Knight c3 is called English opening, Anglo-Indians, Anglo-Indians, and two knights. So it means Queen Knights or Queen's variation. So it means Queen's Knight variation. So it means called English opening, Anglo-Indians, Queen's Knight variation. So it means I'm sorry I forgot my thinking here from this one. So it means Knight c3 here. And also knight bd7. So it means knight bd7. So what do you think if you capture this d takes 6 d takes c4 from this one? So it means captured of these pawns here and also e3. So it means e3 here and also bishop b4. So it means pin from check. So it means pin check here and also bishop takes captured or maybe bishop takes knight and also pawn takes bishop. So it means pawn takes bishop here from this one. So it means developing of these white and blacks here from this one. So back there is knight bd7 move by Max Warmerdam and also queen c2 with a defense by knight and also pawn takes c4. So it means pawn takes c4. So it means captured. And also e4. So it means e4 by pushing this one, this e5. So it means threatening knights here from this one. And also c5. So it means c5 there. And also pawn takes c5, bishop takes c5, and also bishop takes c4. So it means bishop takes c4 and also a6. So it means a6 here from this one. So it means a6. And also castle king side, queen c7. So it means queen c7 is novelty by Max in this Netherlands. So it means queen c7 novelty. So good novelty is simple castle king side here from this one. Castle king side are main lines. So it means old main line from this good novelty. So back novelty is queen c7 and also queen e2. So it means defense by bishop and also bishop d6, rook d1, and also knight g4. So it means knight g4 here. So it means knight g4 our first bad move of this Max Warmerdam from this one. So the best move here is castle kingside. So it means castle kingside are best moves here. So it means best move. We need to castle kingside here. So back there is knight g4 and also h3 with a threatening by knight and also knight ge5. So it means knight ge5 with a threatening of this one bishop. So it means if a queen, threatening queen. So it means threatening bishop, target by queen and knight. So it means double here by attacking here. And also bishop backwards b3. Knight takes f3 check, queen takes f3, and castle kingside. Simple as that. It's very, we need, don't forget to castle kingside here from this one. And also bishop e3. Oh, bishop h2 check. So it means So it means double. So it means queen defends bishop. So it means bishop h2 check by king. And also good move king h1. Still forced move by Jordan. So it means nice move in this developed by solutions by Jordan in this grandmaster. And also bishop backwards e5. And also rook ac1 and also queen b8. So it means queen b8 by develops by Max. And also queen g4. So it means queen g4. So it means with a pin from this one pin with a followed by bishop h6. So it means threatening. Oh, so it means dangers for blocks here from this one. So it means danger. And also knight f6 with a threatening of this one by queen by Jordan. So it means threatening here. And also queen h4. So it means queen h4 here. And also b5. So b5 with a move by followed by b4. So it means threatening by knights here. And also good move, another good move f4. So it means nice solutions by Jordan. So it's still threatening by bishop. So it means threatening bishop. So it means we need block solutions from this one. And also bishop takes knight, rook takes bishop, and also bishop b7. So it means bishop b7 with a threatening of this one, threatening by e4 or maybe oh sorry, I forgot. So it means bishop with a threatening of this e4 or maybe here by knight. So it is knight with a target by this one by e4. I'm sorry I got wrong this one. So it means it's very wrong my with the touching my mouse here. Sorry, I forgot. I got wrong this one in this tab by also. So it means and also bishop d4, knight takes e4, bishop e5 with a threatening by queen. Oh, knight takes c3. Oh, so it means knight takes c3. So it means threatening by rook. So it means bishop threatening by queen. Oh, determination. And also pawn takes c3. Oh my god. Why captured? So it means X move. So it means bishop takes. So it means X move by Jordan. So the best there is bishop takes queen. So it means bishop takes queen. If you knight takes rook for this one. And also bishop takes knight. Or maybe rook takes bishop. Oh, still develops here also within rook to rook and bishop and queen and bishop. So still winnings for whites. So back there is bishop takes c3 and also queen e8. So it means queen e8. So what do you think a first solutions by puzzle by New Brilliant sacrifice by GM Jordan in Netherlands? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is boom. Bishop takes g7 captured. So it means brilliant move by Jordan. Sacrifice. So it means with the threatening of this one rook here from the determination by solutions here. And also king takes bishop and also good move, another good move is queen g5 check. So it means nice solutions developed by Jordan. So it means developed by check. So we need to check here. And also king h8 and another good move again, queen f6 check. So it means nice move by Jordan, still focusing solutions by develop. And also king g8 and also queen g5 check, king h8 and also queen f6 check, king g8 and also king g5 check. 3 repetitions, still draw by masters round number 9. So it's still 3 repetitions here. Three repetitions from this one. So it means draw from this master's round number 9. So it means score by white 94.6 and black 93.4. So still winner by this one is GM Jordan. So it means highest score points by Jordan. So next challenger between from this international master Lu Miawi versus Grandmaster Aydin Sulaimanli. So it means what do you think of this next challenger? Let's see. Okay, next challenger this round number 9. So white pieces between International Master Lu Miawi from China and the black pieces from Grandmaster Aydin Sulaiman in Azerbaijan. So it means in these challengers in this round number 9, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in Tata Steel. So white plays Meow Meow is e4, e5 Aydin, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, knight f6 is called two knights defense Italian game. And also d4, pawn takes d4 is called Scotch Gambit, the Boas Reti variation from this one. So it means e takes d4 here. And also e5. So it means e5 by push e5 by Meow Meow, still threatening targets by knights here from this one. And also d5. So it means d5 are moved by Aydin, so it's still target by bishop here from this one, so it means target. So it means target here. And also bishop b5. So it means if you capture this impasse captured from this one, what do you think from this impasse captured? And also c takes d6. So it means simple as that. So it means solutions by development by white and blacks here from this one. So back there is bishop b5, so it means bishop b5 by Meow Meow, still pinned by this one by check. So it means check here by pin here from this one. And also knight e4 with the enterings of this knight e4 by Aydin. By still strongest move by Aydin Sulaimanli. And also knight takes d4. So it means knight takes d4. And also bishop c5. So it means bishop c5 here with the threatening by knights. And also bishop e3. So it means bishop e3 are still novelty by Meow Meow. So it means the old main line there is simple bishop takes knight here from check. So it means check here. So back there is bishop e3. And also bishop d7 with a defense by knight. And also bishop takes knight. Pawn takes bishop and knight d2. So it means knight d2 upcoming, coming from this one, ready of this captured by knight. And also knight takes d2, queen takes knight, and also bishop b6 backwards. Still backwards here from this one. And also knight b3, castle kingside, and also rook e8. So it means rook e8 by Aydin, by still pinning by this one by bishop. So it means pinning here from this one. And also queen c3. So it means queen c3 by good solutions by Meow Meow. So still focusing on this queen c3. And also f6. And also f4 with a defense by e5. And also pawn takes captured, and also queen g5. Oh, why? Oh, so still queen g5. Still, so it means bishop cannot capture this queen because check. Oh, so it means cannot move this one. So it means bishop cannot move by this queen. So it means bishop cannot move by captured queen, or maybe because there is pin from this check. Oh, still check from this one. So it means not allowed this captured this queen because check. So it means check here. So we need more careful here from this one. And also knight c5, good move by Meow Meow, but still ready of this bishop captured by queen. And also bishop takes captured, and also bishop takes c5, and also rook takes captured pawn. So it means develop here. And also rook f3. So it means rook f3, still followed by with a move by rook a f1. So it means rook f1. So it still develops here with a battery here from this one. And also rook A E8 with a battery by Idin, and also rook G3 with a threatening by queen, and also queen H4. Still good development by Idin by this Azerbaijan. And also rook F1, and also queen C4, queen to queen, and accept queen takes, pawn takes queen, and also bishop D4. So it means bishop D4 with a threatening by this one by rook in this target here by rooks here, and also rook 5 E7, and also bishop takes captured, rook E2, bishop D4, and also G6 by develops by move by Idin. So it means 5 minutes by white in Meow Meow and 12 minutes in black by Idin. Still we need to fast move here. And also rook F2, rook A1 check, rook F1, rook 1 E2, rook F2, oh rook A1, rook F1, oh rook E2, rook F2. Oh my god, still just another rap songs here. So still I'll just DJ raps here from this one. So it means draw again and these three repetitions from challengers round number 9. Oh. So let's see if you check why she bad moves by Meow Meow in rook F2. Still bad move by question mark by Meow Meow. So the best moves is C3. Oh, C3 by move decisions by good solutions in development by Meow Meow. So it means C3 are moves here. So it means draw again by challengers in this round number 9. So it means the score of this Meow Meow is 96.8 in this accuracy, and black by score in Idin. So accuracy is 97 points. So still winner from this one 5 points with Grandmaster Idin Sulaimanli. Still congratulations from this black. So I hope of this part of this video here. Thank you so much for watching here. I'm Mark Lowagi 17, aka I Cool Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios.